Diploma o diskarte? Actually, medyo matagal na 'to pero gusto ko lang sana makisawsaw. Disclaimer nga pala 'no, I should not be your number one pick when it comes to this decision making, kung diploma ba o diskarte. I'm just a ordinary student na kung saan may passion when it comes to building a business. And of course, when it comes to business, self-learn lang naman. And ayun nga, so diploma o diskarte, una muna sa lahat when it comes to diploma, ang diploma ito yung pagkakaroon ng isang certified skill, lalo't lalo na kung basehan sa buhay is of course education, na kung ano yung napag-aralan mo. But when it comes to diskarte, mostly it involves with hard work, kung saan umiikot lang dito is pagkakaroon ng hanap buhay o yung way to earn income. Okay mga katoto, tandaan nyo lang na itong dalawa na 'to are both opportunities 'no. Maaari mo kunin yung dalawang opportunities na yan, both or one of the two, kung anong mas gusto mong tutukan sa buhay 'no. Basta ang mahalaga when it comes sa buhay natin is dapat natin makita kung ano yung opportunity na puwede natin kunin at saka puwede natin gawin. Actually kasi minsan kasi ano, ito yung kahirapan, meron naman tayong kakayahan na gawin yung isang bagay pero hindi pa natin nakikita na mahalaga pala 'tong gawin. Kung saan na ano, we tend to underestimate the things that we have as an opportunity, kaya we tend to go blind sa mga ganyang bagay. And of course nga, tutukan na natin kung ano nga ba talaga, diploma o diskarte. For you guys, kailangan nyo talaga is diploma kasi siyempre malaking bagay na rin diploma and of course maraming trabaho na kailangan ng certificate. Like for example, doctors, lawyers, or even nurses. Pero para sa akin, kung kaya ko talaga ipagsama ang dalawa, education, academics, and also something, I would choose diskarte talaga. Yes, I kinda agree na kailangan mong education. I absolutely agree. Pero kung meron akong passion when it comes to creating a business, mas maganda kung pag-aralan ko na lang based on my experience or kung anong pwede kong gawin, diskarte yan. Kasi feeling ko kasi sa school hindi ko matutunan yung when it comes to businesses, eh. Like for me lang, when it comes to school, mostly they teach students how to be an employee rather than to be a businessman. Depende na lang kung meron kang subject na entrepreneur which is actually you're in luck. And of course 'no, mga toto, lastly, tandaan niyo na lahat tayo merong opportunities. Meron tayong lahat opportunities, pero hindi lahat pare-parehas, okey? I mean dati talaga meron akong opportunity para magbenta ng tumblers, baka sa inyo hindi or may paraan pa kayo para magbenta ng mga gamit or mga other plans pa kayo na gustong ibenta na gamit, gano'n. And of course 'no, kakaiba, ang weird. It's very, very unique na lahat tayo may pagkakaiba. Actually, that's the magic when it comes to life, eh. Kasi you never know kung ano yung mong fortune or riches when it comes to exploring your life, yung buhay mo. So, find that opportunity and gawin mo lahat, okey? Yun lang naman.